Dear fellow beings, I'd like to share a little story with you. It's called Bella's Bright Heart, and it comes from a town called Danbury in the United States. It's about a young girl with a strong spirit and a kind heart. Now you may wonder, what does bright heart mean? Bright means full of light. But here it means that Bella's heart was full of kindness, hope, and love. She made people feel warm and happy. Even when life was hard for her heart still shined. Bella was just 16 years old. She had a serious illness called brain cancer. Even though it was hard, Bella smiled every day. She loved playing sports like basketball and soccer. She laughed a lot and made her friends feel happy. At school, she helped with talks about kindness and fairness. She even made silly birthday gifts for her little sister. She didn't talk much about being sick. She wanted to live like a normal teen and spread joy. When Bella passed away, her town was very sad. But they wanted to remember her light. So her family started Bella's Hope Foundation. It gives help to people who show kindness to others. Her school also made a special award with her name to give to students who are strong and caring. What we learn from Bella's story is this: even when life is hard, we can choose to smile. Even when we feel weak, we can still help others. Even when we are young, we can shine bright. Bella showed us that love and kindness are powerful. She reminds us to live each day with care for others. And even if we face big problems, our hearts can still be brave and warm.